Welcome to the Advanced Purchase Program at Hoffman Audi of New London, the future of car buying. To get started, find the vehicle that you would like to purchase or lease. Once you find the right one for you, click on it to see the vehicle detailed page view. From here, scroll down until you see the Start My Purchase window. At the bottom, locate the Start New Purchase button and click Continue. Here you will be prompted to start putting in basic information about your transaction. Whether you want to purchase or lease, how much you would like to put down, the length of your lease, and a few other questions as well. When you're done, simply click Continue. This will open up the Advanced Purchase Program portal, and here's where the entire transaction will take place. To start, you will finalize your offer for the selected vehicle and enter some basic contact information so that we can stay in touch. Next, you can either hit Submit or click the Value My Trade category to the left. Here you can use Kelley Blue Book to find the most accurate trade-in value of your current vehicle. After you typed in all your information, press the Continue button or click Explore Vehicle Protection to the left. Here you will see a bountiful list of items you can add to protect your valuable investment. Click the Add button to start adding protection to your purchase. Feel free to select as many or as few as you would like. When you're all done here, the next step is to schedule your test drive. Our flexible sales staff will offer you a time that fits your busy schedule. After you book your test drive, press the Request Test Drive button below or click Apply for Credit to the left. Here you'll be prompted to review your purchase terms and to once again type in basic contact information if you have not already. Choose a method to which you'd like to be contacted, and after this is completed, hit the Submit button below. This will open a new window and you will follow the steps to officially apply for credit directly through the web app. It starts with triple checking your information. If everything looks good, continue to the next step. The app will require you to input some sensitive information, but don't worry, it's completely secured by Norton. Your information here will only be used to check credit. The next step is to verify employer information. Fill out the fields with your employment status, employer, and some other information. Once completed, again hit the black button at the bottom. Review all of your information one last time to ensure an accurate process. Click to accept the Terms and Conditions checkbox and then the Submit button at the bottom to finish. You did it! It took you a few minutes at your own leisure what it takes other dealerships hours to do from their showrooms. From here, just sit back and relax while you wait for a representative from Hoffman Audi of New London to reach out and help you complete your final steps. It's as easy as that. Hoffman Audi, driven by trust.